Now, if you didn't buy our material pack, you may be wondering what this is. This is what we are using to measure our fringe, and this is what we are going to be starting class with. So I've cut a piece of cardboard and I have wrapped my yarn around it 33 times. And the measurement for that, if you want to create your own looping board. This is a 6-inch by 12-inch piece of cardboard. Again, this is a little bit sturdier so that we can wrap around it multiple times. But if you have a cereal box or if you have cardboard, that will work. Even if you have a large book, we're just looking for something where we can take our yarn and wrap it. You don't want to wrap very tightly. You want to keep it loose so that your cardboard isn't bending and your yarn isn't getting pulled too tight. And we'll be starting class by trimming it along this edge, and that is going to give us lengths of yarn that are a similar length, and we are going to be using that for our fringe. So if you want to prep some of your yarn by looping it around and be ready for our fringe, that is what we will be starting class with.